Hi, nhà Jong, cú yêu Yasmi. Thành có mong sinh ya, cú yêu bé mong ít thành có ba số sinh, nhớ trâu sáng bị cả tế nó, cú lo thì yêu nhớ trâu thái tế, thì chỉ cú tôi nhớ trâu tế cho mình cả nó tàu, cậu lúc yêu nó lời. I am a singer, I'm an actress, I am a businesswoman, I have my own beauty, skincare line, and now I'm looking for love.
Just for love. Không mà muốn thương được cô nhỏ trong lưu lo cho cô.
Lúc nó cô ready, cô yêu ba pi lúc này này ạ. Sa tuần đời nó như vị tuần chia luôn trâu nữa. I'm looking for a man, a strong man who can take care of me and keep me on my toes. I am here just for love.
Hi, my name is Skyler N. Lee. I'm a venture capitalist. I'm 30 years old and I'm ready to find the love of my life. So I've only had one serious relationship in the past. The chemistry wasn't really there, and for that reason I haven't really dove into any relationships, but I think I'm ready now. I think now is the time to really charge forward and find the one, as they say. I think Yasmi's gorgeous. I don't think I've ever seen anybody as beautiful. I'm hoping that she's the one. I'm hoping that we have good chemistry. I'm hoping that we can riff off of each other, and just have a little fun, and then we'll take it from there.
It was great meeting Skyler. He is a little quiet, but he is charming. He has a nice smile.
People tell me my best quality is my smile, but I like to think it's my heart.
I feel like he is a good person.
So my name is Chris Chan, and I'm a model and a personal trainer. And the reason why I'm here is just for love. You know, I really like being single, but I think it got to the point where I think I'm ready. You know, I'm expecting a lot of great things. You know, I mean, she seems like an amazing person. I'm an amazing person. And what happens when two amazing people come together? You know, they just create something magical.
I met Chris today. Hawaii hotel.
Of course, I would like to get to know her more. She has the most amazing smile ever. And her eyes, oh my gosh, her eyes. Stars.
I was very nervous at first, but he made me feel very comfortable.
I think I did a pretty good job. I think she liked it. I mean, I made her laugh. I mean, from a scale of 1 to 10, is it okay to say 11? I told her a lot of stuff about myself. She told me a ton of stuff about herself. And so the fact that she was able to dig deep into her feelings and tell me about her past and stuff, I think it says a lot.
I feel like I like Chris, but then I also like Skyler. They're both very different. She Dia mà lý thì share lý cha. Lúc nào cũng là cho là dùng share ở tàu trên này online. Ở này ở từ phương như tàu ở bênนู้นlà nó. Cô chỉ xả sai lý thì she mà như chịu tàu xả ý tu. Chris, cái gì tụt nít nè, tao lo hết, thả luôn đâu, thế cô rồi cô bỏ, cô tụi khen sợ, cha họ cô bỏ. Skyler, cái gì tụt nè, chỉ cho hai luôn đâu, thì she, cái gì tụi nè cho rong. So very charming. I had a lot of fun. I don't want to do this, but tonight I can only give my heart to one person.